here. We haven't seen one of the huge ones yet, but to me that one was already pretty big. So.
Yeah. Just got to the butterfly garden entrances. So there's a food court just right up here. We're gonna go check out in this building. This is all attached to the Chatuchak market. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. So yeah, we are at Chatuchak. Market's right across the street here, and then we're going into the park, which is on this side here.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see this park.
Yeah, exactly.
It's beautiful already. We just got here, so yeah. I'm sure it's really nice once we get inside and start exploring around.
Yeah, exactly. I thought we could get in over by the BTS. The BTS does come right out to the park. So we got on at Ekamai. We got off at Mochit, not Mochit, Mochit.
Mochit?
And it was 30 minutes, and it wasn't bad. It was like $3 for the two of us to take the BTS out here. So if you are looking to go to the Chatuchak market as well, you can take both the BTS and the MRT to get out here. So it's really convenient if you want to come to the Chatuchak weekend market, which is on the weekend, or if you want to come to the park any day of the week, it's open. So yeah, we're excited to go explore around. There's a butterfly garden in here we're going to check out, which kind of seems pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then there's a coffee shop apparently in here. There is also a kids playground in here as well, like a bigger playground, I guess, or like and there's a museum, I think it said online too. So yeah, if you have younger kids, it'd be worth checking out.
And there's such a beautiful breeze today. I love it. It just makes it more tolerable in the Bangkok heat, of course. When you have a nice breeze in the park and some shade.
Yeah.
It's just crazy though, like how much nature there is. We've mentioned that before in our other videos, but for such a large city, there is so much nature scattered throughout. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, there's a lot of bigger parks, and this is one of them. So on the maps, it does have 3 different names. I think it's like the 3 parks are put together, maybe. Yeah, we're just trying to find the main entrance here, one of the entrances. There was one back there that was closed, but we're walking a little ways down the road here. They got a nice setup over here. So yeah, this whole area is all the weekend market. It's quite large. This park's about 5 times the size of the market, so that just goes to show how big this park is. So yeah, we're gonna walk a little bit further down here, find the entrance, and show you guys what that's like. So there's some vendors set up out here as well. It smells really good. Got some chicken on the grill. Howdy, cop. Still no sign of an entrance, so. All right, so we're walking along this road here and had no idea we're walking through the parks. So that side's Chatuchak, and then this is the other park's name. I'll put it below. I don't remember what it's called, but
even
I'll put it below.
Even if we remembered what it was called, we probably won't pronounce it properly anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's probably good if we just leave it written below.
Howdy, cop.
Howdy, cop.
But yeah, so it's better just to have it below, then you guys can see what it is. So yeah, we'll go down this way. We're just gonna wander around. I'm gonna have a lot of B-roll in this video. Not much to really talk about, just more to show you what the park's like here.
Yeah, this is a really beautiful park. We're glad that we came to check it out for sure. So many birds, just constant sound of birds. And as you saw in some of the last couple shots, the big monitor lizard,
Yeah.
which Chris was saying is maybe half the size of what a typical monitor lizard would be like here. We haven't seen one of the huge ones yet, but to me that one was already pretty big. So
Yeah.
I think I'd be a little scared to see the normal sized,
The super big ones.
typical size ones.
Yeah, exactly.
And then all those fish too.
Yeah, that was cool.
Koi fish?
Yeah, there's a lot of koi fish in here. So it's really cool. As you guys saw, they have the pathways. We're actually about to cross another one. So you can actually walk over the water. And as you saw, the people were touching the fish. I
like
asked if they
these.
could film them. Yeah, these are cool. It's a really nice touch that, you know, you can cross over the water like this, like Moses.
But yeah.
Part the sea. But yeah, it's a nice touch that they have this to get you on top of the water like this. And again, having the fish nearby.
Always
And
so
yeah.
many fish.
Yeah, it's really cool. But yeah, it's cool seeing a monitor lizard. That's the first one we saw, and it's funny because that one's probably the size of the biggest iguana we saw in Costa Rica. So
Yeah, that's true. Now that I think about
yeah.
it.
But being that close and not knowing the creature, like we know iguanas, we could kind of tell what they're like because we lived around them for 7 years. But I don't know this creature, so
Does
it's
this
a little
creature
sketchy.
have the same disposition as the Costa Rican iguanas? I don't know.
I don't know, but yeah, it's cool. They got benches all around the water so you can sit. We're gonna head over to like another walking area. It's cool because there's like so many different paths you can take with different things to look at. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, there's another water. We'll go that way.
It's just amazing that there's such beautiful parks and, like I said, so much nature so close to the city, or some parks right in the city. We always need the break from the concrete jungle sometimes.
Yeah.
So it's so nice you don't have to go far to have this type of nature.
Yeah, and it's you can tell like the air is a lot fresher in these parks too. Obviously, with all the trees around, you get a good feel of the air out here. Apparently, there's a lot of smog right now, but you wouldn't know that walk around the park. So it's nice to get out here, away from all the buildings. And as much as we love them, it's also nice to get into nature.
I feel that when you spend so many days in the city, which is super fun too, at least once a week, if not more, you should always make sure to get out in some nature, enjoy some greenery, enjoy the sounds of the different animals.
Yeah,
and
look at all the birds. Yeah, there's actually a bird watch tower. We're going to show you that up here soon. But yeah, we'll cut to some more B-roll of the park for you. right, so just got to the butterfly garden entrances around here. Gonna go in, check it out, see if I can find any butterflies for you guys to see. But yeah, it looks cool. They got walkways all up inside. As you saw, it's a spherical shaped building. Yeah, it'd be cool to go in, see if we can find anything worth filming. Yeah, the entrance is right here. Apparently all you have to do is fill out a form, give them your email address, and then that's entrance here. Fill out a form, give it an email address, and you can go in. There's no charge. So yeah, let's head on into the butterfly garden. All right, so they just have a little spot there where you scan a QR code, fill out a form online. There's no email. Just ask for a phone number, a Thai phone number, and your name, age, and how many people. So super easy. Yeah, they got all this display here of different butterflies and insects for you to learn about. It is all in Thai, so you'll have to use Google Translate on it if you don't speak Thai or read Thai. But yeah, at least you can do that. Yeah, they've got like little examples. So we're gonna go here. As you're walking in, you'll see this sign. It says butterfly entrance is not showing up. Push, and here we go. All right, so that's it for the butterfly and insect garden. Yeah, saw a few butterflies as you guys saw. Yeah, it's you definitely want to take your time, just kind of go slow through there. It's not very big, so yeah, take your time. That way you can see all the butterflies flying around, and yeah, try to see all the different ones. I saw probably five or six different ones in there. Wouldn't go out of my way if you're in Bangkok just to come to this. If you're coming to the park anyway, or you're at Chatuchak Market and you want to come to the park, definitely stop by. I mean, or unless you're like right into butterflies, then definitely something you're gonna want to do. Apparently this is a road and there's a car behind me. But yeah, so again, I wouldn't make the trek out here just for the butterfly garden, but again, if you're here, definitely check it out. So yeah, we're gonna find somewhere to get something to eat now, some lunch, and yeah, we'll bring you along for that. Hopefully we'll find something near here. Apparently there's a coffee shop in the park, whether it's still open or if it's still there or not, we're not sure, but we're gonna go see if we can find that, and or some other place to eat, maybe a little local Thai spot. So yeah, Shayna didn't go on the butterfly thing. She's just sitting down enjoying the nature, the birds just up here. So yeah, go find her, and yeah, we'll see you after that. All right, so we're back on the road that we started at, and it's not just Chatuchak Park. That's Chatuchak Park on this side, which is in between the main road and where the BTS is, and this road here that goes through the parks. And then on this side is Queen Sirikit Park, and that's the main one you want to go to. That's the one we just filmed in. Chatuchak doesn't look like it has a whole lot. Be worth checking out if you're out here anyway. We're hungry, so like I said, we're gonna go find somewhere to eat, and yeah, maybe we'll come out here sometime with the boys. We'll go through this park and check it out. But definitely recommend, again, if you're in this area, come to the park, walk around. It's really nice. Jeez.
You're just gonna like...
They didn't even stop. Yeah. So there's a food court just right up here. We're gonna go check out in this building. This is all attached to the Chatuchak Market. In behind here is the market, in case you're looking for a place to eat after you're there at the market. So, I mean, there is food inside the market, but yeah, you can see. You can go in there. There's a night market apparently too. Figured we go in here, just have more options. Yeah, there's like a full-on mall, like market at Chatuchak that's in air conditioning. Elephants are coming. What's that?
You almost got trampled by the elephants. I was warning you.
Yeah, there's
They're
how
coming
many?
up behind you.
5 or 6 of them.
Whole family.
All right, so yeah, it's just like the other food courts. You get the card and go around and figure out what you want. I had no idea this mall was at Chatuchak as well as this food court. So it's nice because it's air conditioned. So if you want to have something to eat, not be sweaty, you can come here and eat. But yeah, we're gonna find whatever we want to eat here, and we'll let you know what we get. All right, so we found some places here to order some food. Shayna got some chicken karaage. I think is how you say it. It's a Korean fried chicken. The spice, yeah, it's right here behind me at this little cart. They did cash only, not the card. All the other places they do the card. So, and then I got a curry with a fried chicken. Yeah, I've had it at a few places. There's a chicken kai place we go to by our house, and they do it as well. Not as big. This is a big portion. It's 130 baht for this, which is pretty good value. You also get a free soup, which I'm gonna give to Shayna.
Because I love soup.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what this curry tastes like. It's got potatoes. It's got looks like some carrots in it. It's got like an Indian curry. You see it everywhere here. You usually get it with like a fried chicken cutlet or a pork cutlet. Yeah, curry's good. It's like a yellow curry. It goes well with the chicken and the rice. So yeah, good value for the dishes here. There's a lot of choice. There was pizza even. I was like contemplating getting that. Haven't had pizza for a while. But yeah, so we're gonna eat this and then we'll see you guys when we're done. All right, so we are full now. Tastes like a nap after walking around quite a bit. Yeah, it was nice to go for a wander in nature like that.
Yeah, such a beautiful park. Definitely recommend coming and checking it out.
Yeah, exactly. If you're in the area, yeah, definitely come and go for a wander through there. And like I said, butterfly area. If you're into butterflies, check it out. If you're in the area, check it out. Don't make a trip out here just for that. But yeah, I guess this is like, it's called Mixed Chatuchak is a mall. It's right beside the whole market. So if you want to go chill out in some air conditioning and eat, you can definitely go in there. The food was good. Pricing was good. Big portion, yeah. So yeah. I'd recommend it for sure. So yeah, we'll leave the video up there. If you guys did like it, please leave a thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Also, if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Sawadee.
Sawadee.